Welcome. If you manage a LinkedIn page and want to stay instantly updated on all your page activities, enabling push notifications on your PC is the way to go. With LinkedIn's latest update, the process is easier than ever. Here's a step-by-step guide to make sure you never miss an important moment on your page. First, open LinkedIn in your preferred web browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture, and clicking it will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can customize how LinkedIn keeps you informed. On the left side of the settings page, find and click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts and updates you receive from LinkedIn. Now, scroll down until you see the Pages option. Click on it to access notification settings specifically for the pages you manage. Here, you'll find different categories, including activity on pages you manage. Click on this option to dive deeper into the types of activities you want to be notified about, such as likes, comments, messages, and reminders to post. To start receiving push notifications, simply switch the toggle next to Push Notifications to the On position. This will activate real-time alerts for your page activities, keeping you in the loop whenever there's engagement or important updates on your page. That's it. You've now enabled push notifications for your LinkedIn page activities on your PC. With this setup, you'll be the first to know about new interactions, helping you respond quickly and keep your page thriving. If you ever want to adjust these settings, just follow the same steps and customize your notifications as needed. Stay connected, stay informed, and make the most out of your LinkedIn page management.